Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows Spotlight in Windows 10 or 11. The Windows Spotlight feature on Windows 11 is the main reason you see mesmerizing images on your Windows 11 lock screen. This feature brings new image of your interest to your lock screen to make it more beautiful. Now if you want to reset it, here is how you can do it. First of all, open the notepad on your PC. Now visit this article on the windowsclub.com and scroll down here. Copy the entire command here and paste it on the notepad. Click on File and select Save. Add .bat extension at the end of the name and save the file. Now run the batch file and let the command execute. Restart your PC and Windows Spotlight will be reset. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to reset Windows Spotlight in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.